Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you what to do when YouTube videos on your iPad have only audio and the video is black. So first we have to uninstall YouTube. Just hold on the YouTube icon and press delete app. Then press delete. Now we have to restart the iPad. Press and hold the top button and do the slide to power off thing. After it is turned off, press the top button again to turn it on. Now let's reinstall YouTube. First open the App Store. Now find YouTube and install it. After YouTube is installed, open it up. The video should play normally. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get 1000 subs and it would help a lot. Bye.